all ready to play Christmas games. There's Marissa, there's Jessica, there's Catherine, there's Bonnie, and there's Sin, and there's me. Yeah.
Could be a dream, and a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
And like mixing it, the two of them. There's no door in here, just realized. Yeah.
What would this room have been if it wasn't part of like the hotel in Japan? Like a sitting room or like
Yeah, for the something like that. Yeah. Yeah, like coming here, straight here, yeah. Like way over here in the corner. It's really cute in here. It's like vintage. So we're still carrying on our drinks. Jessica's like she's like our designated bartender today. She doesn't like that. She's like, no. But she came with the drinks, so yeah. You are, yeah. All right, so
like peachy or something? It's gonna make me want to pee.
it did. Too sweet.
No, I said it's gonna make me want to pee.
Yeah, don't drink it then.
I said, is it?
Is it gonna make you puke?
Is it?
I mean, it's strong.
It's not like a tequila.
Yeah, you had enough today. You've had enough drinks today. Cheers to positive people. Cheers to positive people, and cheers to like.
That was my idea.
Cheers to positive people in 2022 and positive friends. Yay! All right, so we're going to start our competition. Who wants to? Okay, so the designated model. I think who we're going to nominate as the model? Catherine, because she's just naturally the model. But we have to do two teams now. So second model. I think. Do you want to make the dress, Marissa, or you want to be the model? Which one? Model. Okay. All right. So we're going to split into teams then. Marissa's a model. One of the models for the game we're about to play, and Catherine is the other model for their team. So they're going to be on a team together, and me and Sin are going to be making a dress on Marissa. So we're going to be making a dress out of the wrapping paper we have over there. That's our first Christmas game. The rule is you both have something dramatic for your piece. So like either, I don't know. So you have to pick which one. So I'm not going to decide which one I want. So and you only can use tape to make it. No staples, nothing, just tape. Yeah, that's gonna be the only way to make it. I don't know why this is here. We're meant to make like decorations.
I was like, we gotta put the piece on.
Yeah, that's like that time. So we're trying to use guys tape, the bow or this part here. This?
Yeah.
The tinsel?
Yeah.
We can't use it. You got the tinsel.
You should have just gotten 2 tinsels.
Yeah. No, it has to be. That's the part of the challenge. Okay. Yeah. And then we're gonna use the bow. So we have to figure out what we're gonna do with that bow. But the tinsel's more fun. So, but you picked it, and then you have the wrapping paper. So here, you can pick whichever one you want.
You can pick the wrapper if you want. Are you ladies?
Yeah. You two. Well, it's between you two. The model can't pick. She's just a model.
Yeah, no say. Wait,
we really don't. We don't have a union. They just like work.
They're literally just a pretty hangers.
Just tell you?
We don't have a union to protect us.
You're lying.
No, but then
Started.
yeah, I was thinking I want to get rid of people and start.
That's what happened.
our
You
one.
started.
This is our
Fix it.
Yeah, ours go much better with what we have.
That's why after it's kind of more right. They treat you better.
No, but
they
like
pay
models
for your
can't.
hotel, they pay for gas, they pay for everything.
Models can't pick their clothes, it's the designer that picks it.
Yeah.
Like, they're literally the pretty hand.
No offense, but I really hate when models start talking. Like,
I should be
I
saying this. I
love you.
shouldn't.
I love you because I'm telling you to model.
so offended.
Not giving your opinion.
Then you said screw Catherine, huh?
Yes, like you're like,
You're being like this.
Look at them. Alright, so cut right here. And I'm gonna just wrap it around. Where? Like down there.
Better in my head.
You look cute, Marissa.
So that's if we do that, and then we have another layer on top, and then it'll look make it look better. This will add definition. It'll add color. Here again.
Just watching the team that might lose.
What? So you want that outer edge like this?
Right, Knuckles. Oh, I like that. What just came to see them before things get bad. Oh, is it too tight?
Like that?
Oh, that looks dope.
I don't think it's tight enough.
I think that's
Cute.
that is
Are you
cute.
done with your other scissors? Oh, yeah, didn't you have three scissors?
Yeah, that's cute. Yes, look at you. We're waiting for the results. Look. I know, right? Look, we have like a one sleeve that ties in with this. We have this sleeve that's exposed. And then we have like a mermaid shape at the bottom. She looks perfect. She's ready for the Grammys. No, it's like, it's not even the Grammys. It's what is it? The Met Gala, the Christmas version. Yes. And then they're working on it. It's actually coming together really cute. Yeah, I can't lie. Not bad. They went all out. Okay. Look at that.
We're giving you layers. We're giving
Yeah, texture.
She said
Up.
dimension.
Right?
We're giving you colors. We're giving you patterns. Whatever you want it, baby, we got it.
We got it. Let's see them in the studio. They're giving wow. Effort. Effort. They actually thought, let's go all out. What made you guys come up?
Oh, sorry, yeah, let me run.
Oh, look, we have to tape her up right here. Look, because that part's going to embarrass us. There, like, you see this part?
No.
So just tape this around, like a little bit. I like blue, but... she
I like the fact that it's kind of like what I'm wearing right now, like one shoulder.
Yeah.
Boom! Oh, thank you so much. We won. Final looks. So I want everyone watching to comment down below. Who is the official winner of this competition? I need the designers to come up to the front. I need the designers to come up to the... And what inspired you? You're going to have to tell people what inspired you to make this gown. What was your inspiration? What look was you going for?
Alcohol and gift wrap.
How about you, Bonnie? And what inspired us to do this? I'm done. She's just the assistant designer, I guess. So, like, everyone comment down below. Which dress do you think won this competition? Be honest. Don't vote for me. I'm not saying which one's mine anymore.
Oh my gosh, yeah!
I'm not roast. Be honest. Be honest. Which one? Left or right? I'm gonna let you guys decide. We're judging on construct. We're judging on. We're not doing any twirls.
Do the twirls. What's out?
No, we're not judging on. We're judging on construct.
Construction.
We're not judging. We're judging on.
Quality.
Yeah, we're judging construction.
Oh, we have a little.
Models. We're judging construction. Execution time frame. It took to make something. Time frame.
You didn't give us a time frame.
Time frame, execution, quality, product, quality control of the product. This one seems to be falling off.
Tell your mom to turn around then.
But it came off. Yeah. Evil. Can this one walk? Right, I'm gonna take we're gonna cut the models out of it. Look. It came off that quickly. Quality's poor. It came.
Her butt's hanging out.
Yeah.
You literally left the butt flap in the restroom. So she has to That is for restroom.
Okay,
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah. Innovative. It's innovative.
This is actually made for her man. So, entrance. Oh my god.
My bad. I thought it was an exit.
She said it's an entrance. She's like, I didn't consent to this dress being made this way. Yeah. They asked like how theirs came off so quickly, Sin, and ours.
See, when you have the Met Gala at 7 and then a dinner at 8.
Right? Merry Christmas, dolls, and have a happy new year. Love you dolls so much, and thank you so much for watching Vlogmas number 5. We might have an extra one too.
Life could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life, and I ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so